Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel DOTV. If you are new, nice to meet you. My name is Anaya, and if you're not new, thank you for clicking back on me, DO gang. You know I truly appreciate the support. As you guys are in the title, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look. Hold on, can it focus? How I achieved this beautiful nail look. I'll be doing my own acrylic nails, but it will be press-on nails. It was pretty easy. You guys know that it's easy to put on press-on nails, but I just wanted to do a video to show you guys how to do it. So just in case there's some people out there who don't know how to put on press-on nails, I can show you guys right now how to put it on, and you can just look through my video how to, you know, like glue it and file it. So this is what the nails came in. It's called Kiss Masterpiece, and I'm sure you guys seen this in my Instagram Controls My Life video because I had put these nails in here. I had brought it from the beauty supply store. It was $11, so I'll name this title like $11 do-it-yourself Kiss Nails Press-On Edition. Came with some really pretty packaging. I said I wouldn't wear these nails until I had something special to do, but it don't look like I'm doing nothing special very soon to do this video with these nails because I feel like it was more professional to do it with these type of nails. So that's basically what I'll be doing in this video. So without further ado, I'm about to get the video started, and I'm about to show you guys me doing my nails, and then after I'll do my outro and I'll show you guys how long these nails last and how good it is, or if it's good or bad. So let's get into the video. Oh wait, one thing, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now before we get started to this video, because if you got this far, that means you know you're interested in what I'm about to say or what I'm about to do. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos from your girl DOTV. And now we about to get into the video. Okay guys, that was all of the clips that I showed of me doing my nails. As you guys can see, it is very easy. It's really not hard to put on press on nails, and I feel like it's as good as the nail shop, because look at these, honey. Let's just take a moment of silence to look at these pretty nails. Like, it looks the same as if you go to the nail shop, and I feel like you shouldn't be spending all that money. Instead of spending $35 to $45, you could just only spend $11. And actually, they have some more like cute nails. It's actually cheaper than this. It's actually like $8. If you see like other videos, it'd be like $8 do-it-yourself nails. So it's not even nails that's just expensive. If you want it like at a cheaper price, it's $8. And then I think it's also some for $7, and you can get it from the beauty supply store. I'll make sure I put the link of these nails in my description, so if you want to buy it, you can shop and get it. You guys can see I put some charms on to make it like look more presentable and better. This camera needs to focus. So these how the beautiful nails came out, and now I'm about to give you guys the review. So basically these nails last about 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Well, 3 weeks is kind of like pushing it. 3 weeks, once you have on these nails, it do start falling off. But if you want to, you can carry like a little glue stick. Hold on, I'm about to show you guys. Usually what I do is that I carry this in my bag and my purse, so like if it falls off like in public or something, I can just glue it right back on without being embarrassed like some of my nails are missing, because I don't really like my nails to be missing. I like all them to be on. So if you want to, you can just carry this in your little bag or your purse, anything that you have, so you can just slip it right out and glue it back on while you're in public, just in case it falls out, like if you're on a date or something. But like I said, 3 weeks is kind of like pushing it. I mean, you can still like hold it on to 3 weeks if you're like careful like me. I don't really do a lot of stuff with my nails. I just like be like very careful. What you have to do when you're about to take it off is just put it in really warm water, because it'll be easier to take it off that way. It's really easy. I feel like personal nails is just as good as going to the nail shop. So if you don't feel like going to the nail shop because of this whole corona situation and it's quarantine and all that, you can just do it at home for only a cheap price. Like, look at these, y'all. All you gotta do is follow the little steps and it'll be just like this. Like, I'm not capping to you. But yeah, these last for about a good 2 weeks. I love kiss nails, and also I like golden finger. I don't know if you guys know that type of nail, but I'll probably insert a picture of golden finger. I like those nails too, because those nails also last long as much as kiss. And yeah, it's very easy, as you guys saw. I'm totally in love with kiss nails and all these type of glue on nails. Like, all you need is the right type of glue and the right type of nails, and you good to go. You can get these from the beauty supply store, and it's very convenient. It's a win-win. Guys, that was basically it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would definitely be doing more nail videos, because I really like doing my own nails, and I do like to show people like how to do it, just in case they don't know how to do it. If you don't go anywhere or stuff like that, I think it's still great, you know, to give yourself a pedicure and a manicure, just to be feminine. You know, you always want to be feminine. You want to keep your hygiene up and stuff like that. So even if you're not going anywhere, you can still do your own nail. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.